Hey guys, welcome to Clapbox Garage. So I recorded this video a long time ago, literally a year ago. It was for the Tahoe. We did spacers and a level kit, and it might have been a few other things, but recently just found those videos, and this was supposed to be put together, edited, and put on YouTube a year ago, and it never got done. So here it is now. So enjoy. And rolling. Hey guys, welcome to Clapbox Garage. It's been a while. I'm in my 2012 Tahoe, and today we got a level kit and 1.5 inch spacers for the rear of my Tahoe.
Alright, now I'm just gonna run around them quick, make sure they all click.
Alright. You guys haven't seen it in a long time. I think the last time you saw it in a video was completely stock. It is completely changed now. I got a lot of color matched parts, different wheels, and a whole bunch of other add-ons like headlights and taillights. Rock lights too. I recorded all of them, and it was all on my old phone. Lost all that footage. So today I'll give you guys a little bit of a walk around and show you guys the level kit and the spacers. Right now Lucas is putting one on, and I'll show you guys the difference between the factory and the spacer. All right. So here's factory. Kind of tucked in there a little bit. Here's aftermarket. See, with the spacer, it sits out past the old mud flap there, just like the front ones do. I think the rear sits a little bit wider than the front, but it'll be like 1/2 inch. Not that big of a deal. So, and it came with a sticker. Nice. Hey guys, we're back. We got both of them on. We didn't do the level kit today because we ran out of time, but you know, it's whatever. I don't know if I showed what the stock looked like on the ground though. Anyways, so the front always sat about, my wheels are a little bit turned in, but they usually sat a little bit wider. And then these used to sit way in, and now they sit out about the same as the front did, but they sit way wider than they used to. Looks way more clean now. Peep rock lights. Here's a quick walk around on the Tahoe. I did color matched mirrors, color matched visors, color matched brow, which you can barely see, C-bar headlights, rock lights, wheels, spacers in the rear, C-bar taillights, blacked out badges, subs, stuff like that. There will be a rate rides probably, maybe not, I don't know. We're maybe figuring it out a little bit. All right, see ya. Hey guys, welcome back to Clapbox Garage. I think I already said it in this video. This is the second day. I worked on the last clip you guys saw. We put the spacers on. That was from 2 days ago, and I said I don't know when I'm gonna put the level on. I think that's what I said. I don't even remember. Well, today we're putting the level on. It's only 2 days after. That was recorded on Thursday. Today it's Saturday, so I'm out of breath because I don't have an impact. This impact here, it's a 3/8 drive. Yeah, it's old. It's an 18 volt even, and I can't break the lug nuts loose on this old beast. So I had to do it all by hand with a ratcheting breaker bar, and some of them I had to lift up on because pushing down on them wasn't working. So I'm way out of breath working on the lug nuts right now that I broke them all loose. I just got this little 3/8 of the extension in the 19 mil socket, you know. So getting the rough country level kit on. I think the 2-inch, I don't even know. It just said level kit, and I bought it because it was the cheapest one. These ones are plastic. There was red ones on there, and I thought it was just red and black, but apparently the red ones are metal. These ones are plastic, so whatever. They're real cheap. Come with some extension bolts. Rough Country sends a bunch of stickers, like even the warning. The warning's a sticker. Warning to driver, that's a sticker. Got a couple more stickers in here. There's like a service when to retighten your lug nuts and stuff, and like all these bolts. And then the who it was made by, Alexa, I think it's this one. Oh, Alexis. Yeah, this unit was packaged by Alexis. So anyways, that's also a sticker. And then they sent a rough country sticker. It's silver. So I don't know if all of them are silver or what's the deal. But anyways, spacers are holding up nice. Just retorqued those, so we are good on that. I'll give you guys an update when I start actually doing some of this shit. We have to unbolt these top bolts here. There's bolts at the bottom of the strut that we have to undo, and then we have to take out the top ball joint. That's down there somewhere. And then so you basically just drop the front suspension almost. You don't have to take those bolts off, you just loosen them. And then you slip that, you take the bottom bolts out, and then you slip that piece of plastic in there, and yeah. So that's it. If we have a whole bunch of extra time, Flex Fuel badge and the Tahoe badge are gonna go. I'm leaving the Tahoe on the doors, just taking it off the rear. Leaving the Chevy bow tie though. So, yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, I'm halfway through. Got this passenger side done, and I'm working on the driver's side right now. The rough country video makes it look so fucking easy, and it's not. I did get the block in there though. I had struggles with the sway bar because you're not supposed to take it off, the sway bar link, and I took it off. But other than that, it came out great. I'm not entirely sure how it sits yet because I haven't lowered it yet. But I'm working on this side, about done. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Oh, come on. Oh my God. Okay, I might have accidentally squatted the Tahoe. I don't know if you can hear me because that's loud as fuck. I might have accidentally squatted the Tahoe. It'll take about 2 weeks for the suspension in the front to completely settle, but okay, so I might have accidentally squatted the Tahoe. They said it's gonna take about 2 weeks for the suspension to completely settle, but as of right now, it's kind of leaned out. I don't know if that picks up on camera, but it's kind of leaning. Other than that though, level fucking 10 out of 10. It wasn't super hard, somewhat easy. But I mean, it looks fucking sick. Like, that's exactly what I wanted to. It's about the same. It used to be really, really low up front, and I hated that. But that looks sick now, so that's about it. Spacers. And level kit. I think she's about done for now. I'm probably going to do a Starlight while I'm in college. That's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. It's probably going to be a while till you see Clapbox Garage again. I'm going off to college, and the guys are, Mitchell's busy with college, J-Dub's going off and doing his own things, and Lucas just got a house, so he doesn't have time to work on cars. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye. I love you.